Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. Today's recipe is my plum and walnut crumble. Let's begin. Right, in my bowl I have 1 kilogram plums, and they're frozen plums. I froze them myself and I've obviously taken the stone out as well. 2 scant tablespoons cornflour, 2 to 3 tablespoons caster sugar and 40 grams butter. All I'm going to do, get my hands and give the whole lot a good mix. I'm now going to transfer the plum mixture into my Pyrex oven dish. I also greased the dish as well. You're probably thinking, my God, that's loads. How are you going to get your topping on top? Don't worry, they do shrink down quite a bit. I'm now going to place this in a preheated oven. Note, I have actually got a flat tray in the oven already. So I'm going to place my dish on top. What you want to do is you want to cook it for 30 minutes in total, but halfway through cooking, just give them a stir. If you're using fresh plums, do exactly as I did, but just cook them in the oven for 20 minutes and turn after 10 minutes, okay? There we go. So that's had half an hour. Just going to give it another quick mix. What I would recommend at this stage is leave it for a good half an hour, just to let the juice thicken up. You can leave it even longer if you want. Leave it for an hour, 2 hours, up to you. Depends when you're ready to eat it. But just leave it for at least 10 minutes before you put the crumble mixture on top, okay? In my processor, I've got 200 grams walnuts. Now, what I want to do is I want to pulse them. I want some big bits and some smaller bits, so just be careful not to over pulse. And I'll do, there we go, look. I've got some bigger bits, some crumbly bits, perfect. So put that in my bowl. So to my processor, I have added 250 grams self-raising flour and 150 grams butter, which is straight out of the fridge, which I have cubed up, okay? Unsalted butter. Now I'm gonna blitz this. I want it to, so it's kind of crumbly. So let's do it. So that's what you're looking for. It's almost turned into large breadcrumbs, isn't it? And you can squeeze it together and it sticks. By all means, if you want to use the old method of your tips of your fingers, etc. in a bowl, do that. Rubbing it together, do that, it's up to you. Take out the blade. So to the crumble mixture, I'm going to add 150 grams demerara sugar and the walnuts. Give that all a nice mix. Let's take the crumble and put it on top. And with your fingers, just spread it around. This can now go back in the oven until cooked and lightly golden. My fellow composers, take it all in. So there you have it, my fellow composers, my plum and walnut crumble. This tastes amazing warm and it tastes just as amazing cold as well. I have one thing to say to you: make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!